Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Today's my recipe is Tindey wali dal. Now tinda is also known as Indian squash or round gourds. Now when we talk about gourds, believe me, they are the most healthiest vegetables available in the market. But sadly, they don't taste good, maybe because of the water content. So usually what I do is whenever I make dal in my house, I add some or the other kind of gourd in it, like bottle gourd, ridge gourd or this round gourd, and it not only makes dal very fibrous, but it gives that extra taste to it. So making dal is very simple, but here I'll give you two tips which will enhance the taste of dal. So first is that whenever you're making any type of dal, please add a handful of channa dal in it, okay, except when you're making sambar, of course. And the second tip is when you're done making your dal, okay, towards the end, what you'll do is you'll add half chopped raw tomato in it and let it boil for another 3 to 4 minutes. And these two things will really give you that restaurant kind of taste. Okay, so do give it a try. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen, because I keep coming every few days with a new and interesting healthy recipe and which you can learn in less than 5 to 6 minutes. Well, that is the USP of my channel, okay? And of course, it's a pure vegetarian channel. So if you're also vegetarian like me, you will definitely love the things that I cook and that I eat. So till I see you again, please take very good care of yourself. Thank you so very much.